Playing soccer. In the heart of a vibrant jungle, little Lele, Jut, and their loving Dada decided to take a leisurely walk through the lush green forest. The jungle was alive with the chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the whispers of the wild. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, a sudden burst of movement caught their eyes. Out of nowhere, a speedy cheetah zoomed past them, chasing a ball that rolled ahead with every swift step. Lele and Jut watched in awe as the cheetah dashed by. Just as it seemed like the cheetah might collide with Jut, he skillfully maneuvered around her, all while keeping the ball in motion. With a graceful stop, the cheetah halted and turned around. "Oh, sorry about that," he panted, his tail wagging. "I was just practicing my soccer skills for a game with my friends. We're about to play down the path. Would you like to come and watch?" Lele, his eyes filled with curiosity, looked at Dada and Jut, wondering if they'd be interested in watching the game. Jut thought it sounded like a great idea, so they decided to follow the cheetah to the open court. As they reached the clearing, they found a group of 5 boys, all excited and ready to play soccer. The cheetah smiled at Lele and said, "Hey there, little man. Would you like to join us? We could use an extra player." Dada kindly offered to play with the boys, while Lele and Jut settled in to watch. The boys started running back and forth on the field, their laughter echoing through the jungle. The ball danced between their skilled feet, and they showcased their incredible teamwork. Lele was captivated by the game and couldn't help but feel excited. After a while, Dada approached Lele and asked if he wanted to give it a try. Lele's eyes sparkled with anticipation, and he nodded eagerly. The older boys welcomed Lele and patiently showed him the basics of soccer. They taught him how to kick the ball with all his might, aiming for the goal. At the far end of the field stood a crocodile, guarding the goal with a watchful eye. Lele took a deep breath, his small foot met the ball, and he gave it a mighty kick. The ball soared through the air, aimed directly at the goal. Crocodile stretched out his massive jaw and attempted to catch the ball but missed it by a whisker. "Almost," he chuckled, as the ball sailed past him into the goal. Lele had scored a goal. Dada couldn't have been prouder of his little one. He lifted Lele onto his strong shoulders, and they paraded around the field. The other boys cheered and clapped, finding the sight of the two of them heartwarming. As the game continued, Lele had a big smile on his face, filled with joy and pride. The other boys couldn't help but be impressed by his enthusiasm and sportsmanship. When the match concluded, they all gathered around Lele and cheered for him. "Well done, Lele," they exclaimed. "You're a fantastic soccer player. Will you come and play with us again next time?" Lele beamed with delight and nodded eagerly. He had not only made new friends but had also found a passion for soccer. It was a day filled with adventure, camaraderie, and the excitement of learning something new, and Lele couldn't wait for the next game with his new friends.